Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to share quite easy and unique ideas to decorate your simple stationery items. But before I start the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the notifications of my newly uploaded videos. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Our first DIY is cute pencil topper. Unicorn topper, all-time favorite of girls. So enjoy watching the video. As I do not have white foam sheet, so I am using back part of silver glitter sheet. I cut various little flowers with the help of punching machine. I cut little ears and horn out of bronze sheet. Make the topper for the pencil following the steps. Paste the face and other parts with hot glue or Fevicol. Now paste the flowers. Draw the eyes with black permanent marker. Now make the blush. How cute and easy DIY is this unicorn pencil topper. If you want to make this cute notebook cover and unicorn pen stand, then I will share the link in the description box. You can make them all and can give to your friend as well. They all are easy to make. Our next DIY is Flamingo topper, which is made with Pom-Pom. Draw the shape on pink foam sheet. Again I am using pink glitter sheet and using the back part. Do the shading by the sketch pen. Paste it on pom-pom. If you want to make pom-pom, I will provide the link in the description. Paste the flamingo on the pencil topper. Our cute topper is ready in no time. And this is surely going to enhance the beauty of your study table. Our last DIY is quite beautiful and my favorite one. It is not only beautiful but easy at the same time to make. First, cover the notebook with paper of your choice. I am using sky blue chart paper here. Now follow the steps. Cut the shape and then cut it into two parts. Facial part needed to be cut out of white foam sheet and shirt part from the blue foam sheet. I am using again the back part of the foam sheets. Draw the outline and merge it with the help of finger. Same way make the outline of face with pink sketch and spread the color to give it soothing effect. But you need to wipe the finger first after spreading blue color. Otherwise it will get merged with the pink as well, if you will do with the same finger. Now draw the shape of specs on folded rough paper and cut it. Then trace it on brown foam sheet and cut. Take out the inside part of specs with the help of craft knife. Now paste both the pieces on the notebook. Draw the hairline pressing it. To make hair, I am using golden or beige yarn. You can use brown or black as well. First I am wrapping it around my two fingers and then tied it with the piece of yarn. Now paste it, keeping the tied end at the center of hairline. For the bicud part, I am wrapping the yarn around my forefingers and again tied it from one side and pasted it, keeping the tied part in the center. Adjust the hair. To make the bun, wrap it around 2 fingers. I am tying it from both hands and then paste it. Adjust the bun as well so that hair look fine. Now paste the specs, draw the eyes. Make a tiny ribbon bow and paste on the bun. Do the desired shading. Write down the quote of your choice, which will keep you motivating. How beautiful this DIY is. You can use this cover for your diary as well, and if you want, you can give to your loved one as well. I hope guys you liked all the DIYs created today. I try to keep them simple and easy and beautiful at the same time. Notebook cover is my favorite. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. Next video is a surprise video for you all. And making is just going on. So keep watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video. So bye bye for now. Stay tuned. Be crafty. Bye.